Hello everybody, and welcome to Bull Technology. Are you tired of survival games where zombies, the endless ocean, and frozen hellscapes all create just too much chaos? Are you over first-person shooter games with their monotonous grind and repetitive nature? Are questing and exploring simply just getting stale? Maybe you just need a break. Maybe you just need some creativity. Maybe you just need some Summerhouse, a new relaxing Steam game with no real goals or rules. Creativity reigns supreme, and relaxation is a key focus. So today we will give this cute little game a review, and find out if Summerhouse is worth its meager asking price. And in the interest of full disclosure, Future Friend Games isn't sponsoring this video, and all of the opinions you're about to hear are entirely my own. Let's get started. Summerhouse is, according to its Steam page, a tiny building game about beautiful lived-in houses. No rules or restrictions, just pure creativity. It was released in March of 2024 and retails for the low price of $4.99. I should also mention that the developer, Friedemann, developed the game solo, and this is his first solo game release. Summerhouse begins with a minimalist main menu, and starting a game prompts the player to select from 4 possible map types: an ocean landscape, a mountainous landscape, a city landscape, and a desert landscape. Each map is absolutely stunning with a gorgeous art style that features a whimsical background and foreground for your build. Speaking of building, on the left-hand side of the UI, you'll have the ability to select from various build objects to create your desired structure or structures. Walls are pretty self-explanatory, and upon them can be placed equally self-explanatory roof types. There's a variety of interesting doors and windows to adorn your build, and miscellaneous decorative items and landscaping items can be placed as well. You can be as detailed or as minimalistic as you choose, and as stated before, there's no real goal of this game other than creating a stunning landscape. String together a commercial street, place a couple of cute cottages, or simply meticulously place a forest. The choice is yours. While you're placing your items though, you'll have the ability to unlock special variants of certain items that feature cute characters. In total, there are 24 unlockable characters that can only be unlocked through a certain placement of in-game items. The bulk of the game though is just relaxing and carefully crafting your scene. It's serene and creative and intimate in a way that is just utmost satisfying. While you're painting upon your architectural canvas, you'll also be consuming the peaceful soundtrack that's reminiscent of a lullaby. It's just perfection. Also perfection are the graphics and visuals. The game offers 2 graphical modes, a pixelated mode and a non-pixelated mode. Both are gorgeous and have terrific lighting and art design, but I personally prefer the pixelated quasi-8-bit look. I should also mention here that the game allows the player to cycle between a daytime view, a stunning rainy view, and a gorgeous nighttime view. There's also an excellent replay feature that plays back every item you've placed in a sort of time-lapse, which is just oh so satisfying. In terms of gameplay though, that's it. There's a handful of unlockable achievements, but as previously stated, there's no goals, so let your imagination run wild. There are though a few drawbacks with this game, unfortunately. For one, there are quite a few bugs that I've encountered during my playthrough. The UI bugs out and gets cut off all too frequently, items bizarrely clip through sometimes, and selecting some already placed items is all too difficult at times. There are also a few missing features that I would like to see. For one, a key binding settings page would be nice. Also nice would be the ability to adjust the scroll speed in menus or change the UI scale, but these are minor complaints. Summerhouse certainly isn't for everyone. Many may only play it once to build a single home, but this is okay. The game is digital therapy, a blank canvas to paint what you like upon it. It's cute, serene, and relaxing. There's no real point to the game, but then again, does it need one? If you ask me, for the price of a chai latte, I'd say it's definitely worth it. Be sure to leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe. And thank you all for watching.